What's going on, guys? I understand there's some of you people that are having some cold start issues on your 2006 to 2007 Gsxr. I'm having the same issue. I'm going to show you what I do to get my bike going. I see some of you guys, you try starting it and it runs for a second and then it shuts off, or some of you, sometimes it don't even start. I'm going to show you that my bike does that same thing, and I'm going to you can watch me and see how I keep my bike running. Once my bike gets warm and it's up to temp, I have no problems. It's about 42 degrees outside right now, maybe 45 with the sun beating on it. And I just took it out of my garage so I can give you a better video on it. Like I said, this is my cold start process. I haven't started my bike in probably a month. I'm in Michigan, so winter's coming, and every month I'll at least start it once. Or once a month I'll at least start it. So I'm just going to show you my cold start. And if you're having the same issue, hopefully this can help you. I have a Two Brothers exhaust, and my computer's been flashed or whatever. But I think the reason why they have cold starts is because on mine, I got that little flap thing taken out of there. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna guess that is why it doesn't want to start. But like I said, once it gets warm, gets up to about 80 degrees, 100 degrees, it'll stay idling. But I have to treat it like a carburetor. Even though it's fuel injected, when it comes to these cold starts, I gotta treat it like a carburetor. But yeah, see how it goes. Is that what yours does? Again, just give it gas, keep it running. My battery's really weak right now, so I'm going to be pulling my battery out now. good and warm. Because the sun's out, I'll go for a little ride. Might be my last ride of the season. I don't know, guys, for you having those cold start issues, hopefully this will help you out. Just give it some throttle, treat it like a carburetor. Once she gets warm, she'll be good. I would turn it off right now and show you it'd start fine, but I'm not confident in my battery right now. I'm gonna make sure my battery has a good charge, and I'm gonna pull it out, put it in my house. And like I said, once a month I'll start it during the winter. If it's like -10, I won't start it. I'll get my wood burner going and get it good and warm, but I don't know, guys. Hopefully this helped out with something for you. Have a great day.